Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on the daylight running lights for VW Touareg 2005. So normally I had to put the key inside and turn it once, but I didn't do that because I have the keyless option for this car. The only thing that you have to do, this button over here takes you to the menu. Alright, now it's doing its reset. I have to change the battery for the key as well, it seems. Okay, now it's alright. You have to push this button over here until it takes you to the menu, and this is the menu for the car. And after this you're pushing this. When you're reaching a certain thing that you're interested, push this button over here, this one. And we have over here coming home lights, daytime lights, and foot lights. Over here you can set the percentage, how bright the light is going to be. And if you want to go back, just push this button over here, takes you back. Daytime light over here, and you push the round shape button again, and it's on. And after that you're going out from this menu using this button. See, again. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe.